Welcome back to the channel Madam Teacher, and this is Minakshi. Teacher speech for school morning assembly on the topic Never Give Up. Somebody truly said that our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. And with these motivational words, hearty morning to each and everyone present here. I, Minakshi, will take your few minutes. Never give up. I know that most of you have heard these three words either from your parents or your teachers. Never give up means believing in ourselves and trying one more time when we feel like quitting. Dear students, it's true that achieving success is never easy. It never was. It never will be. At the beginning, many people seem enthusiastic. They work hard, remain devoted and disciplined. But when things get difficult, they start thinking about giving up. Okay, let me tell you a short story. One day, a farmer's donkey fell down into a well. The farmer tried to figure out what to do. Finally, he decided the animal was old and the well needed to be covered up. He, with his neighbors, began to shovel dirt into the well. At first, the donkey cried horribly, then suddenly quieted down. After loading few shovels, as the farmers looked down the well, he was astonished. He saw. Do you know what he saw? He saw that with every shovel of dirt that fell on donkey's back, he shake it off and take a step up. As the farmer's neighbors continued to shovel dirt on top of the animal, he shake it off and take a step up. Pretty soon, everyone was amazed as the donkey stepped up over the edge on the wheel and ran away. So, my dear students, failures make us stronger, wiser, and prepare us for success. Giving up is not an option actually. See, if you fail, you will learn. If you succeed, you will achieve your goal. But if you give up, you will return empty handed. And at the end, I would say never give up, never stop fighting, stay focused and persistent. Thank you. Have a gorgeous day.